Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 GMC Acadia.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, an outside temperature display, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.